I get to review for you guys and show you how to install the LED bathroom mirror. It's backlit, it's front lit, it's 60 by 40. It's absolutely gorgeous, so I can't wait to show you. It also came in the most perfectly packaged box with a massive piece of wood in it to make sure, and all the styrofoam that you needed to make sure that it would come so solid and in one piece without a single blemish on it. It was so perfectly packaged. We uninstalled the mirror that we had currently with the house, and we measured down exactly where we needed to put the bar that it comes with for an easy install. We really wanted it to go into 2 studs since it was one of the largest mirrors that they had. And so we made sure that we found the 2 studs and made sure to anchor those right into the stud, and the rest of them we swapped out and got some heavy duty drywall anchors. It definitely comes with anchors, but we had some left over in our toolbox that were metal, and so we used those instead. When you are measuring out where all your holes need to be and drawing on the wall so that you can drill accurately, make sure that you use a massive level so that you can make sure that your mirror hangs straight. Anywhere that you're drilling into a stud, it's always good to pilot your holes before drilling in with a screw. This mirror was gifted to us by the company so that we could do a proper review on it, and I actually used it for my bathroom makeover on social media. I was that excited about it. So we got the drywall anchors in, we were able to install the bracket hanger and then put the screws in right where they needed to go. And that's it. Like, once you know that it's level, you're going to double check it. You're going to make sure everything is drilled in, and then you just hang your mirror. It's that easy. It fits so solid like a glove. It's definitely a team effort to lift, and so with the larger mirrors, don't try and do it by yourself. You hang it right on, and then you can either hardwire it in to your electricity, or you can just plug it right into the wall, and that's what we did. I know it doesn't look clear right now, but that is because it's got a film over it to also protect the glass from any scratching while you're installing. Now, let me tell you why we picked this one. It's absolutely gorgeous. It has got the most clear reflection that I've ever seen or had in a mirror. It's got a CRI of over 90, so just the clarity and color in it is amazing. It's got memory functions. It's got 3 different light settings. And so when my kids got to try it, they were just amazed at how bright it is. We almost don't need a light in this bathroom, but we are going to be replacing that vanity light. So you can turn it on the 3 different colors. It has an anti-fog button on the left-hand side, and then you've got your power button on the right. So it's absolutely gorgeous. We are so thrilled. I love this large size, and I'm thinking about getting the vertical one for my downstairs room for myself.